How do you turn a placemat into waterproof art? Master pro level sealing in 3 minutes? You'll need glaze coat, digital scale, release paper, scraper, stirring stick, paper cup, soft cloth, tile, sander. Golden rule, 22 sea room temp plus dust-free space. Wipe the placemat with a soft cloth, no dust, oil, or hair. Keep the workbench surface level. Lay down release paper to protect your table. Place a small tile down, then set the placemat on top. Mix glaze coat A with B at a strict 3:1 weight ratio, otherwise it won't dry or it'll stay sticky. Pour 3/4 of the coat onto the placemat. Spread it with the scraper's serrated edge. Remember, center first, then edges? Lastly, use the stirring stick to coat the rim. Glaze coat self-levels. If it misses spots, add more before it sets. Bubbles. Don't stress, use a lighter to pop them. Quick flame taps beat steady burns for safety. Waiting's the hardest part. Let it cure 24 hours. No touching for that perfect glossy finish. Shrinkage. No biggie, repeat the steps for a second coat. Once fully cured, sand off excess strips on the back with a sander. Now you've got a flawless sealed placemat ready to shine.